call me at the end of the day, and then you have nothing else to say. What do you want me to say? Try blending my emotions, like I know you're back to the oceans away. Please quit asking me to stay. I'm weak under your grasp, and my heart, it won't last. No, my heart won't last. I thought it'd be me and you. I guess it wasn't true.